Cathy Wood. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. I'm sorry I cuss every time I say her name, but it's impossible to say Cathy without saying mother effing before you say Wood. From here on out, I will never refer to her as Cathy Wood. I can't do it. It's hard. It's hard to come out my mouth. I always gotta say Cathy Wood. You know why? She is making me so much money. If you guys don't know who Cathy Wood is, I highly suggest that this year you get to know her. She runs an active ETF, ARK Invest, ticker symbol ARKK, ARKW. She runs a bunch of different ETFs. And why is she so important? Why is she making me so much money? Her active ETF, she's been calling out all the skyrocket stocks, all the banging stocks for the last couple of years. She's been outperforming every single ETF that is out there for the last couple of years, for at least the last 10 years. She called out Tesla a very long time ago. Square, she picks every winning stock every single year, and she's making me a bunch of money. And she just recently made me 17% last month. I'm going to show you guys my Webull. I'm finally going to show you guys my Webull account. I've only been investing into ARK. I'm going to show you exactly how much I've made just from following Cathy Wood, her running her active ETFs. An active ETF is when, all right, regular ETF is when you just buy stocks and hold it in there, whether if it's doing good or if it's doing good or doing bad, it's inside that ETF. Cathy, she goes in, she buys stocks low, let it ride high. If it start performing bad, she get it outside her portfolio. She picked these stocks that nobody are picking because she sees the value in these companies, and these companies end up exploding. And the reason she's so successful is because she finds great stocks early at a great price, and she ride them all the way up to the top. And if they start performing bad, bam, they're out of there. She takes all that profit and looks for the very next investment that's going to make us money. Now, I'm making this video because she just recently went on another interview that says something that's going to make me pretty much a millionaire. Me following her, it's pretty much going to make me a millionaire. I'm going to show you exactly what she said, what she's investing into, and how we can make money from this. But before I show you guys my Webull account, sign up for Webull by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks. The first 2 valued up to $250, the second 2 valued up to $1,600 each. With those 4 free stocks, you can either keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 4 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, if you guys want some free Bitcoin is up to $32,000 right now. I left the link to COINBASE down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. To buy and sell Bitcoin is by using COINBASE. That link is down in the description. Deposit $100, get free $10 worth of Bitcoin by clicking both of those links down there. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are inside my Webull account. Yes, I have $9,010.69 in here. I'm up 17% on the month, and I'm going to show you guys why. I pretty much only been investing into ticker symbol ARKK, which is the ARK Investment ETF that she runs. Right now, I have 63 shares. My average cost is $107. I'm up $1,077.81. I've been buying ARK every now and then. Let's click on ARK right quick. I've been buying the ARK ARKK ticker symbol ETF for a very long time now, all the way back in since September. I will start buying them at $96, $86, $88, $89, all the way up to the top to now. ARK is around $135. So I've been buying pretty much only ARKK. I've pretty much only been buying ARKK inside of this portfolio, and it's been making me a ton of money. I'm up 17%. But I am about to stop investing into ARKK. Why am I about to stop investing into ARKK when it's making me so much money? I'm investing into her next ETF, her other ETF that she runs, ARKW. I bought my first stock not too long ago. ARKW, here you go, right here. I bought it at 147. Now ARKW is a little different than ARKK because this one is more for the next, it says it in the name, ARK, next generation internet ETF. So I'm going to show you what holdings she has inside of this portfolio and exactly what she said that made me change my mind from ARKK to ARKW. That's pretty much going to make me a millionaire very, very soon. I'm going to show you exactly what she said. But first, let's go ahead and pull up the holdings from ARKW. All right, so here we are on the ARK Invest website. You can pretty much see when she buys and sells something. It's public knowledge to anyone. You can sign up and subscribe to the newsletter to see when she buys and sells something. But let's look at the ETFs that she has. She has ARKK, ARKQ, ARKW, ARKG, and ARKF. Now let's look at ARKW. I'm going to show you what stock she's investing in that brought to my attention that's going to make us so much money. So let's click on ARKW and scroll down. All right, so here we are. This is the top 10 holdings. She has Tesla, Roku, Square, Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust BTC, Teladoc, Spotify, Pure, Tencent, Facebook, and Snap. Now I bet you guys are wondering which one caught my attention. This one right here, ticker symbol GBTC. It's at $32. She has 6.1 million shares worth $197 million. She's been investing into that ever since 2015, and she doubled down on it in 2017. That is a Bitcoin trust. She's not allowed to invest into Bitcoin using this ETF, but investing into this ETF, GBTC, it tracks Bitcoin. So that's how she's able to add it to this portfolio right here, ARKW. Now she has a price prediction of Bitcoin going all the way up to $500,000 per coin because of the limited supply. I think 18 million Bitcoin are out there right now, and the maximum amount of Bitcoin that would ever be produced is 21 million. So the scarcity of the coin is what she loves about the coin for the store of value of money. But now let's go into an interview so I can show you guys exactly why I'm going to invest into this ETF from now on.
It's once again flirting with $20,000. Can you put a price on your level of bullishness?
We are extremely bullish. Our confidence in it has gone up since 2017 because what we saw as it dropped from 20,000 to below 4,000, it actually got well into the threes, I think in 2019, was that Bitcoin's share of the crypto asset ecosystem moved from the low 30% range in terms of value, network values, into the low 70% range. And what did that tell us? That confirmed in our mind that Bitcoin is the reserve currency of the crypto asset ecosystem. So it is the reserve cryptocurrency, which is a very important role. It's the flight to safety currency. It is Bitcoin's technology or Bitcoin's blockchain is the most secure of any other blockchain. And so it makes sense that Bitcoin would be the reserve currency of the crypto asset ecosystem.
So what she's saying is that Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency there is out there. The market cap for Bitcoin owns around 70% of the entire cryptocurrency market. So that's what she was talking about in that little clip right there. It is amazing because a lot of people are investing into Bitcoin other than these other smaller cap coins.
But to that point, I heard you fundamentally explain to Kevin and all of us here why you own Tesla. Fundamentally, why are you so heavily invested in the concept of Bitcoin? And that does not mean that I disagree with your investment.
Right. So the reason we moved in the first place is Art Laffer, my mentor, we wrote a white paper about Bitcoin. Could it serve the role of money? And so we went through that, and he ended up collaborating with us on that paper. He said, wow, finally, it's a rule. They're bringing rules-based monetary policy back. And he said, I think it's the wrong rule, a quantity rule, 21 million units. I don't think that's okay for a store of value, so that's a massive role for it here, store of value. And if you think it's going to take 10% of the gold market, then it's valued where it should be right now. If you think it's 20%, it should be double that, right? That's just store of value. The right rule would be a price rule, according to Art. And there are other crypto assets out there that are starting to think about price rules. Now, maybe Bitcoin, I think most core developers would rail against this, but maybe it will do a hard fork so it has both the store of value role and the means of exchange role. These are huge roles.
You don't think Bitcoin Cash is, I mean,
no.
So, okay, so that fork
Bitcoin
is not
Cash
that
is
fork.
subject to the same rule, which
Right.
is a 21 million unit. Yeah,
Okay.
So the 21 million Bitcoin cap is why she thinks that Bitcoin is going to 21x within the next year or so, and so bullish on it that I am going to switch from ARKK to ARKW, which actually invests into the Bitcoin ETF. So if Bitcoin goes up, ARKW goes up. And if Bitcoin does have a pop and falls all the way back down after the bull run, it's still an ETF that has other investments. And she's very great at managing active ETFs. And she's probably gonna sell a lot off of the top when it reached the maximum peak point. Take that profit, let Bitcoin fall back, and then she's gonna buy it right back in. I'm gonna let her do that for me by me investing into ARKW. So there you go, guys. I finally showed you my Webull account, how I'm making money on Webull by investing into Cathy Wood Is. Yes, I invest. I roll with her. She is the main dog this year. She was my main dog last year, and she's going to continue to do great things in the future. So if you guys want to sign up for Webull and possibly get a free share of ARKW, click that link down in the description, and you could probably get 4 free shares of Art. Who knows? If you guys want to buy some Bitcoin and just straight up Bitcoin, no ETF, that link is down in the description as well. It's only going to be 21 million of them, so you might as well try to at least own 1 Bitcoin in your lifetime. That link is down in the description. Sign up for COINBASE, buy Bitcoin right there. But other than that, guys, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.